Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Harcharan Singh and today we will be learning how to compare two Excel sheets. So let's get started. It is a very important aspect in Excel. If you want to compare anything, how in different sheets, how can you do that? So first we'll compare two different worksheets, data in two different workbooks, I would rather say. So here we have a workbook which is named as Jan, and this is the Jan sales, and we have the other one which says Feb. So these are the Feb sales. It is termed as Feb. So we will be comparing these two worksheets and seeing where the difference is. So how can we do that? We'll go to the option which says view, and we'll go on this option which says view side by side. If I click on this, it will arrange data into different workbooks side by side. So here I can compare the differences in the value. So here we have the Jan sheet and here we have the Feb sheet. So we can see where the differences are. So like we have here for Susan, we can see a difference, and we can see a difference here for Christy. Similarly, we can analyze the data and see the differences in two different workbooks. So one more thing which we can do here is, if we do side by side, we can also go to this option which says synchronize scrolling. So if you see, if I scroll in this workbook stands as it is, it doesn't scroll. So if I switch on this option which says synchronize scrolling, if I scroll here, it will automatically scroll the same in the other sheet as well. So you can also use this option if you have a large data set. You can compare two workbooks there. Option how you can compare two different worksheets having data, like we have here one sheet for Jan, the other one for Feb sales. We can use conditional formatting to compare it. So we need to select the Jan data, go to conditional formatting, click on this option which says new rule. This window pops up. Go to this option which says use a formula to determine which cells to format. Click here, enter the formula which is equal to the Jan range. It appears like it's been locked, so we need to press F4 to unlock it 3 times. So I'll press F4, 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 so the $sign disappears. Does not equals, so the less than and greater than sign denotes does not equal to. Go to Feb and select Feb A2. Again, click on F4, F4, F4 to remove the $sign. Click on format, fill, and select the color you want to fill. Click on OK and OK. So if you see here, these are the 3 cells where there is a difference. So this is how you can spot the differences using the conditional formatting option. So the second scenario is when you have data in the same workbook but in two different sheets, like we have here. So one, we have a sheet which says Jan and the other one we have is Feb. So how we can compare it, we'll go to option this view tab, and there's another option how you can do the view side by side. First you need to click on this option which says new window. So if you see the name of the workbook here, it says compare two sheets. If I click on new window, it will open two instances of the same workbook. You see here, compare sheets, two sheets, 2. So I'll click on Feb tab here and I'll go back onto the first one which says compare two sheets 1. There's another option how you can arrange it side by side. If you go here, it says arrange all. This window pops up. You can either arrange it horizontally or vertically. We want it vertically. If you have rows to compare, you can arrange it horizontally. Otherwise you can do it vertically. If I'll click on vertical and click on OK. It'll arrange these two sheets simultaneously. So you see here we have Jan data, here we have Feb data. There's another option you can compare two differences in two sheets if you want to see where the difference is well. So I'll insert a sheet here and rename it as difference. So we'll apply this formula here in cell A2, which is equal to if Jan A2 equals Feb A2, then blank, otherwise Jan value and select the Jan value A2 and character 10 and Feb value and Feb A2, close the bracket, hit enter. We'll copy this formula and drag it, enter. You see some value pops up. The formatting is not correct. How you can correct it, you just need to go to home and do a wrap text and align the size of this cells. Just grab this and double click. So if you see, it will only reflect the values where there is a difference. So here in cell B4 we have Jan value as this, Feb value as this. Similarly here there is a difference and there's a difference. So this is how you can compare two worksheets and two workbooks to find the differences. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.